Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you what I believe to be the best audio EQ settings to get the most sound quality out of this system. I'm going to show you the 2010 model, which has the stock system, which I think is excellent. You don't need to change anything as far as the speaker hardware. And I'm going to show you the 2016 model, which is what we're in now, since I did the audio upgrade. And if you didn't catch that audio upgrade video, I'll put a link to that. This is what I recommend here. Leave the audio in the middle. The bass is up 2 clicks, the mid is up 1 click, and the high is up 5 clicks, or 1 down from the top. So the audio is so good now, the highs are so good that, you know, going all the way up to the top I think is just a little bit too much. So this, in my opinion, balances out all the sound perfectly. The 2016 model now with this upgrade sounds better than the 2010 model. Wouldn't you agree, Austin? Mm-hmm. Mainly on the clarity of the highs, but I could see where someone would want to continue on the path to upgrade all the other speakers. I could see how much better the JL audio speakers are than the stock system, that the entire system, if I was to continue on, would make a pretty major difference in the audio. I could see how someone could get the audio bug and want to just continue buying speakers and continuing to upgrade the sound system, because it definitely, I think, could be better. This upgrade was only $80, so if you're just looking to get by with a low cost way to get much better audio, definitely this is a good way to go. I'm probably not going to keep going because it just can get really expensive from here on. All right, well, let's go take a look at the 2010. All right, so we're in the 2010 now, and everything's stock. I bought this vehicle new back in February of 2010. We've got 125,000 miles on it now. It's been an amazing car, probably my favorite I've ever owned. But I'll show you now what my audio settings are that I recommend for the best quality audio experience. All right, so the treble all the way to the top, mid 2 ticks up, and bass 2 ticks up from middle. And then middle audio, I never changed that. So that's it. Hope this was helpful. And don't forget to like the video if you got anything out of it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thanks.